Morning guys, hope everyone's doing well. It's a vlog today. So there's been a few of you in the comment section asking for more videos about the Twizy. So if you're new to the channel and you don't know what the hell this car is, this is a Renault Twizy. It's a Renault Twizy 80. There's two versions of this car. I think one is only available in certain parts of Europe. But basically this is it's a Twizy 80. It's been modified quite a bit, so it puts out a little bit more power than it probably should do, as you'd expect from someone like me. I'm not going to leave it standard. So yeah, it's running a POWERBOX, which basically increases the power, gives it, I think it's like 2 times the horsepower, but torque goes up dramatically, maybe like 3 times or something like that. It makes it into a really drivable little car, more like a go-kart. And it tops out about 65 miles an hour. It will get to 70 eventually, but you start getting motor heating issues if you go much higher than sort of 60 at a prolonged time. But yeah, this is a great little bit of kit. I've been also upgraded the wheels on this because the tiny little energy saving tyres that they put on this thing, the rims are so thin and they like biscuit tins lids. They're just crazy. So to avoid all the understeer and dreadful stuff that happens in the wet, I've upgraded the wheels to sort of more like I think they're 180 wide all round now, so it goes round bends like you wouldn't believe, and it doesn't really impact the range that much. So it's a good mods to do if you've got one of these. What else have I done? LED headlights, a few little bits and pieces, but this is a great little car, guys. Like if you're interested in kind of getting into something electric, it's just so much fun, and this gets so much attention as well, whether you like that sort of thing or not. I quite like it because, you know, it gets me talking to people that are interested in electric stuff, and a lot of the time, you know, you don't really speak to people about cars anymore because all cars look the same these days. So this is good because it's a little bit different. Anyway, I'm off to go and get some lunch because we got this little village party thing that we're doing today, and it's like a picnic, and as usual it's just unorganised and we haven't got any stuff, so I'm just going to go to the local services and pick up a few bits. It's in sport mode already.
Watch the small children.
Come on out the way, quick, otherwise Sonia will run you over. Go on, get
Oh, she's going for it. This is what happens when you let the neighbours drive your car. Yeah, go on. Go get it. It's good, isn't it? Yeah. Not when she's driving. Yeah, of course you can. Oh! That's brilliant.
seatbelt in the back, Andy.
Yeah, there is. Oh yeah, you found the seatbelt already. It's fun.
Bye. Have fun.
What's
See
that?
you later. Drop them home tonight. Yeah, like next week.
What you need is 2 of these, with 2 Twizys, yeah, and then footballs. That would be like. Maybe if I do it as you're coming up to it, then I can. You can go over that.
She's loving it. Yeah.
She loves it.
That's so funny.
Oh, that was quite funny with the Twizy. The little party thing was good that we had. It's just really like we've started to build a community over here, because it's been a bit rubbish here, like in this little village, which because it's been so close to the airport. Over kind of in recent years, it's kind of gone downhill a bit because of the airport, and they bought a lot of houses and stuff. But now it's starting to regenerate, sort of. And Sarah's been doing a lot of kind of community work, which has been awesome. But yeah, it was kind of like a bit of a kind of get together last thing of the summer, and yeah, had to take the Twizy to mess around with. But I'm going to go and get the Chinese now, and I'm going to go on this. Seems to be going through a bit of an e-bike phase at the moment, where I'm taking the e-bike to do just short journeys. Mainly because they've shut a road up there, and it's got a kind of pedestrian access, so you can squeeze through on this. But if you don't do that and you have to go in the car, you've got to go all the way around the outside of the airport, which is a complete nightmare. So this is why this is good. So we're all charged up, ready to go. Well, I was going to use the GoPro to do a little video on the way, but unfortunately the battery's gone flat, and I've got 2 batteries and both of them are flat. I need one of these extra battery charger things for the GoPro, because I'm using like a broken one to charge it. It's not always ideal. So yeah, anyway, I'm recording on the phone. I'll try and do a bit of footage as I'm going along, but probably won't, because I'll probably be trying to get there quick. Yeah, so the road's closed, but it's fine for the e-bike. Nice. Not seen one of them before. So yeah, guys, this is the block. They're basically doing something to a bridge. So yeah, basically you can just squeeze through here, which is pretty nice and easy. Yeah, they shut this road. This is like a major road, basically, and they've shut it for like 6 months, they say it, and they reckon it's going to go on for like up to 8 months. So yeah, not great really. It's right for this though. I reckon I've probably got here with some time to spare actually. I feel like I'm the ultimate delivery driver at the moment. Picking up the Chinese takeaway. Right, back. 5 amp hours. That's all it's taking to do that. Starting to feel a bit autumnal now. Playing around with a little beat. Because we're going to Ibiza, I want to make a little kind of montage thing rather than like a vlog of Ibiza. So I'm just trying to sort of make some tunes for that. Don't know what you reckon to this. Just a little future bass thing. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this one up now. It's been a fun day, and I'll catch you in the next video.